Good morning, my dear student. The chapter 8 application of integral topic. The fourth topic, positive and negative area. So in the previous video, they discussed about first three topic, the area using vertical and horizontal strip and symmetrical area. The concept based on the video they discussed about previous video. Now in this video, same way, positive and negative area. What's the meaning positive and negative area? Area basically cannot be negative. What's the meaning here positive and negative area means? So you'll see the one graph, okay, square. Here consider the x and y axis, is clear? One graph. So the given function f of x is a curve. Here lies between here to here is moving, is clear? That function I will choose y is equal to f of x. F of x is a one continuous function, is clear? F of x is a one continuous function on the closed interval a to b. Here I will choose this particular part, okay. I will choose that this particular part x is equal to a and again x is equal to b, is clear? X equal to a and x is equal to b. Here I need the area, is clear? I need the area this particular region, this part to here this part, is clear? This particular part I need. So just you will think about the first area above the x-axis, second part this area below the x-axis. How to find this concept based on the problem, is clear? So simple. What is the given condition? Given, okay, if f of x is a continuous function, one continuous function I will choose, define on the interval a to b. So I will choose c belongs to a comma b. So open interval, this point of intersection, that particular point I will choose a point c, okay, x equal to c, such that the curve y is equal to f of x lies the above axis, okay, lies the above the x axis a to c, is clear? Close interval a to c, above the x axis, next below the x axis, is clear? Below the x axis on the interval c to b. Then the area of the region bounded by y is equal to f of x. Take the limit for x axis and x is equal to a to b. So I need the area, okay, I need the area a to b. I need, therefore I will choose this particular point, I will choose a limit, okay, the point is equal to c. So I will use the area is equal to integration of a to c. First I will choose integration of a to c f of x dx, that's meaning above the x axis. Next plus integration of c to b below the x axis minus f of x into tx, or the above formula. Here using the integration of a to c y dx plus integration of c to b minus y into dx. This is a formula, Euclid's, okay. This way of this formula, the limit for x axis. Suppose on the limit for y axis is how to find this limit for y axis. Same way, one curve, is clear? One curve x and y axis, same way here one curve, is clear? Here one curve is moving. So find out this particular region here to here. Same, I will choose a limit y is equal to c, is clear? This region y is equal to d. So I need this particular area. So how to find this particular part, is clear? This particular part. So I need the area of this particular part. Just you will guess it, is clear? I will choose this mean the curve intersect the y axis of that particular point. I will choose the e. So this area c to e, the curve left the y axis. Next e to d, the limit the y axis e to d, the curve right the y axis. About what's using the formula? So I need same way area is equal to, using the formula area is equal to integration of c to e, the curve left the y axis means minus x into dy, is clear? Plus again Euclid's integration e to d, upper limit is e to d, what's the value here, x into dy. This area left the y axis, this region right the y axis, or the above formula So you can write here this curve I will choose x is equal to f of y means, so the above formula, or using the formula integration c to e minus f of y into dy, dy, next plus e to d, again f of y into dy. Is clear? Both are concepts. Is now understood? Now this concept based on the one problem. Example, find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to cos x between 0 to 2 pi. This is a very important question also. This question many time asking the board examination, 6 mark question. Same that question, objectives question oriented. It's clear? So now just see that y is equal to cos x. The curve lies between 0 to 2 pi. I need the area. So we note that cos x curve here x is equal to 0 means here I need that x is equal to 2 pi. That's clear. Cos 0 value is equal to 1. So we know that cos curve, cos 1 is equal to 0. Again pi by 2. Next 3 by 2. This pattern, this curve. Is clear? This is a cos curve. So I need the area 0 to 2 pi. Here 0 to 2 pi I need the required area. So I will take the limit x is equal to 0. And again that's a point x is equal to 2 pi. Is clear? So I need that particular point x is equal to 2 pi I need. Is clear? This particular region I need. So here what's the value? 0 to here. Next this particular part, again I see that I need this region 0 to 2 pi. Just think about what are the area. The area 0 to pi by 2, the area lies above the x-axis. Next pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, the area below the x-axis. Next 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, the area region bounded by above the x-axis. Is clear? So how to find this type of problem? Same way, another limit. Okay, therefore area is equal to, what is the formula? Area is equal to, first limit area is equal to 0 to pi by 2. So limit is 0 to pi by 2 y dx plus next area. This area, what's the limit? Pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 below the x-axis means of a minus y into dx plus again 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, again that's the value of y into dx above the x-axis. It's clear? Now you see that problem here. Just to simplify, integration of, it's clear, limit is 0 to pi by 2, what's the value of y? Y is equal to cos x, okay, plus cos x into dx, sorry, plus again the value is equal to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 minus cos x into dx plus the integration of 3 pi by 2 to, it's clear, 2 pi, again the value is equal to cos x into dx. It's clear? Cos x into dx. Just to integrate the first one, here cos x integration we get the sin x, therefore the limit is we get the sin x. What's the limit is 0 to pi by 2. Similarly take the minus common, here take it minus, again cos x integration we get the value of sin x. The limit is equal to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 plus next same way cos x integration we get the sin x 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Is clear? So just we'll think about, first we'll put the upper limit sin 90, that value is equal to 1. Is clear? Minus lower limit sin 0 is equal to 0. Next again sin 3 pi by 2. What's the value of sin 3 pi by 2? You know that sin 3 pi by 2, that is equal to sin of, okay, pi plus pi by 2. Is clear? 3 pi by 2. Sin of pi plus pi by 2, we get the third quadrant. What's the value? Minus sin pi by 2. Sin, that is the value is equal to minus 1. Is clear? Now here the same value, first 3 pi by 2 value is equal to minus 1. Again and put the lower limit sin 90 value is equal to again 1, that is a lower limit, and we put the minus. Next plus again upper limit 2 pi, sin 2 pi value is equal to 0, therefore value is equal to 0. Next again put the value is equal to sin 3 pi by 2, sin 3 pi by 2 value is equal to minus 1, already formula minus 1, but here put the plus 1. Just to simplify, 1 here minus 2, that is a value of 2 plus 1, that is equal to 4 square units. This is a concept. Is clear? 4 square units. Now understand. Suppose the above problem asking up to this question means how to solve. Okay, very simple trick. You see 0 to pi by 2, so one quadrant, 0 to pi by 2. Next pi by 2 to pi is clear, pi by 2 to pi again 90 degree, second part. Pi to 3 pi by 2 again 90 degree, third part. So 3 pi by 2 2 pi again 90 degree, so fourth part. So the above region I just will split up 0 to 90 degree, 90 to pi, again pi to 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. I find out the 4 equivalent quadrant part 0 to 90 degree. Based I will divide the 4 equal parts area. So I find out this particular one area, just multiple 4 we get the total area. So simple, here you will find out area is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2. I first find out 0 to pi by 2, one quadrant. Pi by 2 to pi, again second quadrant. Pi to 3 pi, third quadrant. 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, 4 quadrants. So 4 equal parts. So I will find out the one part area. Just will multiple 4. That's all, we get the just multiple 4. Here cos x into dx. So we get 0 to pi by 2, that value is equal to already integration 0 to pi by 2 cos x, that value is equal to 1. Is clear? Just will integrate, that value is equal to 1. That's a value is equal to 4 square units. Get the short way method. Okay, we understand, my children. Next video, the area of the region bounded by the one curve and line. How to find the area is clear. You can watch the next video.